हाँ जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम सब दोस्तों, क्या हाल है? सब ठीक ठाक। अच्छा, ये जो व्लॉग मैं बना रहा हूँ, इस व्लॉग में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि जो निसान का अपना जो ट्रैक है, जहाँ पे ऊपर ये जो नई गाड़ियाँ लेके आते हैं उस या नया मॉडल जो लॉन्च कर रहे होते हैं, उसकी टेस्टिंग जो करते हैं ना, वो इस ट्रैक के ऊपर करते हैं। ये इनका अपना पर्सनल ट्रैक है। इसके ऊपर कुछ भी टेस्टिंग वगैरह, किसी गाड़ी में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो उस गाड़ी को टेस्टिंग करनी है, तो इस ट्रैक के ऊपर वो आके। अच्छा, डिफरेंट फीचर्स दिखाने के साथ साथ मैं आपको ये भी दिखाऊंगा कि जो कश्काई है उसको ब्लाइंड मोड के ऊपर कैसे चलाते हैं, पैरेलल पार्किंग, ऑटो पैरेलल पार्किंग कैसे होती है, या ई पैडल कैसे यूज़ होता है, ये सारी चीज़ें। तो लेट्स सी कि कैसे फीचर्स हैं, देखते हैं इसको। अच्छा, ये है जी निसान एरिया, जो कि बेसिक मॉडल है। इसके ट्रायल देखते हैं।
Swap over feet, left foot onto your brake. That's it. Keep it pressed. Full power with your right foot and keep both feet pressed. Keep your brake pressed.
Yeah.
Full power, right to the floor with it. Right to the floor with the throttle, yeah? Now lift off your brake.
That shifts, isn't it? For a car this size, that moves. That's fun. That's really good fun.
Find the lane was not.
You're very involved, aren't you? What's that about?
Please say or select command. Cancel with voice recognition.
So when that thing's on and it's not
Well, we're
blue,
just going to pull in. Pull in, next to his silver one. So it's just near the entrance
Yeah.
there. I'm just going to give them front sensors a bit of a wipe, and then we'll go back out if we've got time and just see if we can get this steering thing looking better.
Oh, look at that.
अच्छा, ये है जी निसान एरिया फुल ग्रेड यानी हाई ग्रेड। इसमें ये जो है जनाब हमें बता रहे हैं कि पैरेलल पार्किंग कैसे करनी है और एल पार्किंग कैसे करनी है, ऑटो पार्किंग। ठीक है, ये बस जस्ट आपने गाड़ी खड़ी करनी है और उसको सेट कर देना है, ये खुद बहुत पार्किंग करेगी। फिर तो रिस्क है कि किसी टाइम पे भी ये, क्योंकि ये एआई है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन फिर भी आप लोगों ने एहतियात करनी है पार्किंग करने में।
But in this case, the white line in the street is quite delayed or the race, so we need to do manual, okay? So now we detect ourselves the parking here, all right? I think it's big enough for us, so we press parking, and now we adjust where we want to parking, and that will be between these two cars, okay? So once the parking place is done, set up by us, that's it, start, release the brake. But always we need to be ready to brake just in case.
Yeah.
Okay, because the future is nice, but
Technology
mistakes,
is still
okay?
technology.
the future is nice.
Yes. But maybe no mistake. So yes, everything move by himself. Always the feet in the brake just in case. But the car will be parking in the place that I told him. So now it's this is the hardest part because I will trust the car, okay? But you see, I didn't touch the brake and
No.
anything.
Yeah.
But he went too close and too fast and he said static detected. So to carry on with the parking, we need to push the brake and resume. And the car knows that we already know as well this obstacle. So that's the first parking. That's good.
But if you not resume, then
Yeah,
you
no.
will stop there.
Yeah, he stopped.
And then
I
you
didn't
could just
brake.
do it yourself.
I didn't brake myself.
Yeah.
But this happened because I put the parking a little bit in the back. We need to adjust that to the
Yeah,
front.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
better to leave more gap in the back because we don't see so much.
Yeah.
That in the front we can see, so we don't need so much gap. Okay. Okay. So yeah.
That's maximum brake pedal doesn't go right down.
Is that when it needs a bit of extra?
Yeah, that's just showing you that's the e-pedal because it is braking the car, isn't it? It is activating the car's brakes.
Yeah.
Regenerating your braking, your battery system. Clever stuff. Q3
Yeah.
on a PCP deal. And when it came to change, the salesman who sold us the previous two cars said, what about a Q2? My wife said, no, I don't like them, not every one of them. She's got a Q2.
Yeah.
He says, the finance deal on the new one, you're going to be paying less a month than
It's
what you
crazy.
pay now.
Yeah.
And we didn't go looking for a new car, but we ended up with
Yeah.
a new car.
That's a bit like what.
अच्छा, इस फीचर में जो है निसान आरिया फुल ग्रेड की जो है वो ई पैडलिंग और स्टेबिलिटी टेस्ट करेंगे अभी हम.
So, whenever you are ready.
Go this side, yeah.
Whichever side.
Is it? Should you hold your hand? Where should your hands be? Do like quick like that.
That was perfect. Don't touch the brake.
Oh no! Way
15,
too
15,
fast.
12.
Dad didn't slow down. Just. Yeah.
निसान कशकाई की ब्लाइंड स्क्रीन टेस्ट जो है वो इस चेक कर रहे हैं. इसमें जो है वो सेंसर्स चेक करते हैं कि भाई सेंसर सारे काम कर रहे हैं नहीं. ये ब्लाइंड अगर फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ भी नहीं नज़र आ रहा आपको तो आप फिर भी गाड़ी कैसे चलाओगे.
10k or 7 miles an hour, it just goes fully off. So, we just
So you
literally
can have
follow
this
the
on when
code.
you're driving normally.
Only up to 7 miles an hour.
Oh, okay, fine.
Hence, like while you're parking or reversing into a
Yeah.
space or whatever.
It took me ages to get used to a 360
Oh yeah.
park. Ooh.
He's had a lot of practice of this, so I wouldn't go off it.
Well, it's my first day doing it, so
By Friday.
what is the purpose?
Right. Close my eyes as well, thanks.
Yeah,
I got
exactly.
this.
But what is the purpose of driving blindly?
Just to demonstrate how good the cameras are in these, so that
Right.
you can still drive just using the cameras. Obviously,
What
it's
does
not.
this setting show?
That's just for the parking.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
So it's got no relevance really
No,
to
nothing
this
at all.
particular bit.
No. It's just a shortcut to get into the cameras. You just press the auto park, and then or you can press the camera button. So, yeah, literally just
And what
follow it
spec
in.
do you have to have the cameras?
I'm not sure.
The Tecna, I guess.
Is it?
Pretty high up. I
Yeah.
imagine.
So there we go. Once we do this next 70-degree left, then we've done a lap, and then it'll be your turn. There we go. Easy as that.
Which one are you looking at predominantly?
This one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now it goes right.
The definition on the
इसी के साथ मैं ये वीडियो अभी इधर ही ख़त्म करता हूँ और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपसे मिलूँगा. और डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.